Summer is a great time for seafood, and it can be surprisingly easy to make. Today we're going to learn how to prepare a restaurant-style pasta with white clam sauce. Danielle Famaro, author of Add This to Your Plate, joins us with this recipe today. Welcome, Danielle.
Oh, thank you so much, and thank you for having me back. I'm so excited to share this dish with you. Have you ever had this before?
I have had it before in a restaurant, and I'm super excited to learn how to make it because I cook fish, I cook shrimp, but never before have I cooked like little necks or clams. They kind of are intimidating, so I'm so glad you're here to make it easy and accessible for me and others.
I'm so glad you said that it can be intimidating because it can. But I'm going to show you how it doesn't have to be and how simple it really is. So we'll get right into it. The first thing you need, of course, is about a pound of linguine. I'd like to have it al dente. So when you do make linguine, just follow the instructions in the back of the box for al dente. It's simple as that. Drain it, cool it with a little bit of water, put a little extra virgin olive oil over it so it doesn't stick, and set it aside. Now, to the intimidating part, the clams. This is how easy it is to do clams. You wash them thoroughly, put them in a wide pan, cover them with about an inch of water in the pan for about 2 minutes, and they open and done. And this is important. I do my clams separately because they do spit out sand, and I don't want that in my sauce. So I do it, and I put it aside.
Danielle, can I ask you a question?
Yes.
Okay, so when you wash the clams, like how do you wash them?
Just honestly, just put them right under the water and just kind of go like this with your hand, or you can get a little brush and just scrub the sand off.
Okay.
That's it.
All right.
You just don't want sand in your dish, right?
Right.
So once you've done that, we'll get into the best part. Are you ready for the sauce?
I am ready.
All right, so easy. Okay, I have a third a cup of extra virgin olive oil in here. I'm going to put about 5 cloves of garlic because I love my garlic. And you know your garlic is ready when it gets a nice golden brown color to it. Okay, once you do that, you're going to add canned clams. Now, I know this is kind of like, why canned clams? I add canned clams because it's marinated in the can, and it actually tastes really good. Plus, it's hard to get this many chopped clams at a store. So 2 of the cans, I kept the juice in. 2 of the cans, I drained the juice, all right, because you don't want it too watery. A cup of white wine. Who doesn't love some wine? Mm-hmm. And a cup of parsley. I'm going to put that in. And then a little cayenne red pepper. I like a little bite, so boom, put that right in there. And then some salt and pepper. I'm obsessed with these, by the way, the electronic grinder farming thing. Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
I got all fancy on you today. So now you just have everything in here, okay? You bring it to a boil. Once it gets to a boil, lower it down, let it simmer for 3 minutes. No more, because you don't want chewy clams. That would be gross. And so once that's done, the last step is zest of a lemon, a half a lemon. You just want to do half a lemon. You put it right in. And this, guys, is what brings it to life. This makes it vibrant and taste delicious. So your sauce is done. That's it. Now, let's fast forward. I do have one finished, of course. So I'm going to have one that I've already made. All right. This one's already done for you. And now we just marry the ingredients. This is how easy it is. So we take our pasta. We put it right into the sauce. Now we're going to take some clams and put our clams right in. Just throw them on in. Okay. Just like that. Then you toss it all together.
Oh, now you're talking.
Oh, guys, it's just like, it's so amazing. And there you go. You've got Pasta Vongole. You will feel like you are in a little village in Italy without having to necessarily go on the flight, which we all can't go right now,
That's
unfortunately.
Right. I love that you're bringing it to us. It looks so delicious. And, you know, even though there's not like vibrant vegetables, you've got the green of the parsley, the yellow of the zest, the beautiful shells. I mean, it's really a beautiful dish.
And clams are an amazing factor for health, too. They're very high in omega-3, so they are very, very, very nutritionally amazing. And you'll just feel happier when you have a bite, too.
You will. One last question for you about the clams. Do you just get regular clams at the grocery store? Do you get little necks? Is there a specific type that you should look for?
Yes. No, yes, don't do steamers. I think a lot of people get confused with steamers and clams. They're not the same thing. These are little neck clams, but you can use a smaller clam. Like if you go and whatever the store has for like their local clams is totally okay. Or maybe you can go clam dating if you're in the Cape Cod. But these are little necks that I use today. But usually it's whatever they have I get. And really it doesn't matter at the end of the day. But these are little necks. And you know what's cool about these? My son's going to paint the shells when I'm done. I'll wash them, and later on, your kids can have a fun little art activity, too. So it's kind of a neat little thing to do with them after the dish.
Danielle, what a win-win. Thanks so much for joining me with this delicious dish. We're going to have the recipe on our website, mymassappeal.com. Bon appetit. Manja.
Bon appetit. Bye, everybody. Thank you.